You know, when you walk into like a massive sports bar with 80 glowing 4K screens, or imagine a high-tech military command center, you're looking right at the muscle.
Right, the flashy displays.
Exactly. But you almost never think about the nervous system, do you?
Oh, definitely not. I mean, the actual pathways carrying those intricate 8K signals across hundreds of feet, we completely ignore them because they're hidden behind the drywall.
Yeah, right up until a screen just completely flatlines.
Yeah, then everybody panics.
Totally. And today, we're looking at the exact wire keeping those massive video grids alive. Welcome to today's deep dive. Our mission for you today, we are decoding a highly technical spec sheet from HDTV Supply.
We want to discover why one very specific wire is the hidden backbone of massive AV systems.
Right, the Avenview FO-MMD-SC-SC-75 Duplex fiber optic patch cable. Okay, let's unpack this.
Well, let's start with the engineering problem here.
Yeah.
When you're sending a 10 gigabit signal across a stadium, standard copper cables just lose the signal so fast.
The drop off, yeah.
Exactly. That's the problem this 246-foot Avenview OM3 cable solves. And the OM3 part, that dictates the specific optical standard required to carry that massive 10 gigabit bandwidth over this exact distance.
And because it's an industry standard OM3, it comes in that highly recognizable aqua color jacket.
Right, that bright teal color.
Yeah, but the real magic is how it actually moves the data. It's a duplex multimode cable. Now, if you think of a simplex cable like a one-way dirt road, this duplex multimode cable is a massive two-way superhighway where multiple light waves travel simultaneously.
I love that analogy. It really is like firing a precisely timed shotgun blast of different light beams at different angles.
Right, and they all just bounce down the tube simultaneously.
What's fascinating here is the underlying physics making that shotgun blast possible without losing the data. Inside the cable, you have a laser-optimized glass core that is exactly 50 microns wide.
Wow, 50 microns, that's tiny.
It is, and it's surrounded by 125 microns of glass cladding. But here's how it actually works. That cladding has a slightly lower refractive index than the core.
So it acts like a mirror.
Basically, yeah. It creates total internal reflection, so when those angled light beams try to escape the core, they hit that microscopic boundary and just bounce right back into the center.
They just ricochet perfectly down the line.
Exactly. It's that exact physical geometry that allows it to seamlessly handle demanding gigabit Ethernet and hardware testing solutions without dropping a single frame.
Okay, I have to push back here on the practicality, though.
Sure.
At $269.27, why not just use a cheap standard network cable? I mean, do you really need this for a basic setup?
That's a great point, but it comes down to extreme durability and precision at scale. Terminating fiber by hand on a job site introduces human error, dust, microfractures.
It's just risky.
Highly risky.
Yeah.
This cable is meant for military applications, telecom networks, and wide area networks, places where failure literally isn't an option. Look at the physical resilience. They use 2.5 millimeter ceramic fairwalls.
Ceramic, not plastic.
Right, ceramic. Because unlike plastic, it doesn't expand or contract with temperature changes. It ensures permanent, microscopic alignment of that 50-micron core.
Ah, so you're paying for factory-level calibration that actually survives the real world.
Precisely. And the snap-in SC connectors on this cable, they are factory rated for a massive 1,000 mating cycles.
Wait, really? 1,000?
1,000 times you can plug and unplug them without degrading the optical signal. Plus, the outer jacket is rated OFNR, which means optical fiber non-conductive riser.
Meaning it contains absolutely no electrically conductive materials, right?
Yep, and it's highly fire resistant. That strictly complies with building codes for vertical drops inside walls.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener? In the world of heavy-duty AV distribution, utilizing a pre-terminated solution like this Avenview cable actually saves heavy labor costs.
Oh, absolutely.
Because it just arrives ready to snap right into your hardware. It ensures serious financial efficiency during installation.
And, this raises an important question. Building on the sources mentioned of those massive Wolfpack 160 by 160 matrix switchers handling 8K products.
Yeah, huge data loads.
Massive. Right now, that bandwidth is for stadiums and command centers. But as our world demands exponentially more data for 8K video and instant streaming, how long until these hyper-advanced military-grade fiber optic cables become the standard extension cords hiding behind the drywall in your own home?
Man, it makes you look at your living room walls a little differently, doesn't it? The muscle is always getting flashier, but pretty soon you might need a commercial-grade nervous system just to watch TV.